the most extreme weather phenomena in the solar system. The weather here on Earth can be both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Hurricanes, tornadoes, heat waves, and blizzards remind us of nature's immense power. But even Earth's wildest storms are nothing compared to the extreme, almost alien weather found elsewhere in the solar system. What if we told you there are storms larger than Earth itself, winds faster than the speed of sound, and rains so deadly they could dissolve metal? In this journey, we'll unveil the most breathtaking and terrifying weather phenomena across the planets and moons of our solar system. Hold tight, because in space the universe doesn't follow the rules of Earth. First up, we visit the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. Its most iconic feature, the Great Red Spot, is a swirling storm of cosmic proportions. This isn't just any storm, it's a hurricane so massive it could swallow Earth whole. The Great Red Spot has been raging for over 300 years, fueled by Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere. Imagine winds roaring at speeds of over 400 miles per hour, twice the strength of the most powerful hurricanes on Earth. The spot's reddish hue remains a mystery, with theories suggesting it's caused by clouds of phosphorus, sulfur, or organic compounds high in the atmosphere. But what's even more fascinating is that scientists believe this storm is slowly shrinking. Will it disappear entirely one day? And if it does, what will take its place? Jupiter never sleeps, and the mysteries of its Great Red Spot remind us of the chaos lurking in the universe. Farther from the Sun, we arrive at Neptune, a distant ice giant cloaked in an eerie blue hue. Here, wind reigns supreme. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, with speeds reaching an unbelievable 1,200 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. What drives such ferocity? Neptune is a cold, frozen world, but its atmosphere is teeming with activity. Methane gas gives the planet its stunning blue color, and the extreme temperature gradient between its hot core and frigid outer atmosphere creates conditions for these supersonic winds. If Earth experienced winds like Neptune's, our cities would be wiped off the map in moments. It's a stark reminder of how hostile and fascinating other planets can be. On Neptune, serenity is replaced by endless thundering gales, a dance of destruction in the frozen abyss. Next, we move closer to home, to our reddish neighbor, Mars. At first glance, its rocky surface seems calm, but this planet holds a surprise: massive planet-wide dust storms that can last for months. Mars's thin atmosphere means these storms don't have the same force as Earth's hurricanes, but they make up for it in scale. The dust storms on Mars can engulf the entire planet in a thick reddish haze, obscuring the surface from view and plunging it into an eerie twilight. For robotic explorers like NASA's rovers, these storms pose a serious threat, cutting off solar power and potentially ending their missions. Imagine a storm so vast it covers an entire world. Mars whispers a story of relentless winds and cascading sands, a reminder of how truly alien even our closest planetary neighbor is. Now imagine a world where even a drop of rain spells disaster. On Venus, the thick atmosphere is filled with clouds of sulfuric acid. This fiery planet earns its reputation as the most hostile weather system in the solar system. Venus experiences a greenhouse effect run amok. Its surface temperature is a molten 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The air pressure on the surface is about 90 times that of Earth. Standing there would feel like being deep underwater. And then there's the rain. Sulfuric acid falls from the sky only to evaporate before reaching the ground, creating a hellscape unlike anything we've ever imagined. It's almost unthinkable that Venus was once thought to harbor lush vegetation or oceans like Earth. Today, it stands as a burning acidic furnace, a cautionary tale of what happens when a planet's atmosphere takes a turn toward chaos. Traveling away from Venus's fiery fury, we arrive at Titan, Saturn's largest moon. On first glance, Titan appears frozen and barren, but look a little closer, and you'll discover one of the most Earth-like weather systems with a deadly twist. Titan has rivers, lakes, and even rain, but not of water. Instead, methane is the lifeblood of its weather cycle. The frigid temperature of Titan, nearly minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 179 degrees Celsius, means methane acts like water does on Earth. Titan's methane cycle is breathtakingly familiar and hauntingly alien at the same time. Could these lakes harbor some form of life? Or are they an eerily quiet testament to a moon full of possibilities, waiting to be explored? Moving farther out to the mysterious ice giant Uranus, we find a planet that defies expectations. Uranus is often overlooked due to its bland appearance, but beneath its tranquil blue surface lies a weather system full of surprises. Occasionally, dark storms erupt on Uranus, short-lived enigmatic tempests that come and go without warning. These atmospheric disturbances leave scientists puzzled as they appear on a planet that receives so little energy from the sun. The secret may lie in its internal heat, or perhaps these storms are remnants of ancient violent weather patterns. Uranus continues to hold its mysteries close, a reminder that even a seemingly calm planet hides secrets within. How do we know all this about alien weather? The answer lies in the spacecraft and telescopes that have let us peek into these otherworldly realms. From the Voyager missions that first glimpsed Jupiter's Great Red Spot to Cassini's breathtaking images of Titan's lakes, these missions have shaped our understanding of planetary weather. On Earth, scientists use massive telescopes like Hubble to study atmospheric chemistry and weather patterns. They also rely on advanced computer models to simulate alien weather and compare it to Earth's climate systems. Each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the forces shaping the planets around us. As wild as these alien phenomena sound, they are also stunningly beautiful. Imagine gazing at Jupiter's Great Red Spot stretching across its golden clouds, or watching Titan's golden haze transform into methane lakes glinting beneath alien skies. It's a reminder that chaos can also hold beauty. The forces of nature that create storms and winds also sculpt planets, moons, and atmospheres into some of the most magnificent scenes in the solar system. With floods of methane, suffocating pressures, and corrosive acid, the short answer is no. Humans wouldn't survive these extreme conditions. Even robotic probes must be meticulously engineered to endure the hostilities of otherworldly weather. But these challenges should inspire, not deter, us. Understanding these planets might one day help us design technologies to thrive, even in the harshest environments. Studying these extreme weather systems isn't just about marveling at their scale. They also teach us valuable lessons about our own planet. Venus's runaway greenhouse effect serves as a warning of what could happen if we fail to manage Earth's rising temperatures. Mars's dry, barren landscape reminds us of what happens when a planet loses its atmosphere. And Titan shows us the fascinating interplay between chemistry and life, even in seemingly inhospitable places. What might we discover next? As future spacecraft and telescopes peer deeper into our solar system and beyond, we'll uncover even more extraordinary weather phenomena on exoplanets, brown dwarfs, and other distant worlds. Storms of molten glass, oceans of liquid lava, and diamond rain are just some of the tantalizing possibilities that may exist beyond our solar system. The cosmic weather report remains infinite and ever-evolving. Earth's storms may bring challenges, but they are nothing compared to the untamed chaos unfolding across the rest of the solar system. From Jupiter's eternal tempest to Titan's methane monsoons, the mysteries of space weather remind us of the infinite power and unpredictability of the cosmos. What else awaits us in these alien skies? One thing is certain, the universe has only begun to share its secrets. In the face of such beauty and destruction, we are reminded of our place in this vast, marvelous, and mysterious cosmos. As you ponder the swirling storms and rains of methane, remember this: Earth is not the only home for wild weather. Beyond our atmosphere lies a universe of chaos, waiting to be explored.